Hi everyone, welcome back to Channel Step Campus. First of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting this channel and showing your love. Without taking much time, let's back to the video. In this video, we are going to see Selenium mock hands-on. You can access this hands-on by going to Fresco Play and search the course ID that I have mentioned in the description box. So let's get started. So we are in the page of hands-on. So we have to click on this Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is a IDE. Okay, and with the help of this IDE, we are going to write our code. Okay, so we have to wait for some time. It will take some time to load the VM. We can see also here one folder, that is project. Okay, so this project folder gives us the information about the problem statement as well as which application we have to run for our code. Okay, so I will show you that one as well. So first we will go with this one. So in once you click on this project folder, you will get another folder also. Okay, with the name of Wings T12 May 24 as automation testing demo. So you have to double click on this one. Okay, now you can see the piece here. Okay, so problem statement you can see here. Okay, so I will open the problem statement in front of you so that you can see like what type of questions they have asked us to do. Okay, so this will take some time. Meanwhile, what we will do, we have opened our Visual Studio, right? So we will open and open this folder. So click on open folder, go to desktop, click on this project and select this Wings 12. Okay, Wings T12 May 24 assessment. Just click on this open. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, now you have to click on yes. Okay, and the problem statement also open for us. Okay, just close this pop-up. I will increase the size. Okay, so that we can see in the full screen. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now good. Now I think you can able to see these things. Okay, so this is a problem statement. Okay, in front of you. So what they are saying, so in this channel you must utilize Cucumber with Selenium to validate the different functionality and components. So this is not a Selenium standalone. Okay, but we have to use with the Cucumber as well. Okay, so this is the web app URL. So let's first right click on this website. Okay, and open a new tab. Okay, so this is a flight booking app. Okay, in front of us. Now what we have to do, so go to the problem statement and see. So first instructions for us is like you have the choice to write your code in either Java or Python. So this video is basically based on Java language. Okay, so how to use this Java. Now second one, so they are saying like within the desktop or project, this is the project folder you can say, or directory you can say. So in this we can get label like code. Okay, so these things I will show you. Okay, directly I will show you, so no need to worry about these things. Let's jump to the steps part, like what steps we have to perform as part of this hands-on. Okay, so if you see here, so what we have to do now, we have a 3 test cases. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So these are the visible test cases. There might be some non-visible, or we can say hidden test cases as well. But first, whatever we have given in front of us, we will try to complete this one, and then we will see what another thing we have to take care. Okay, now so first one is like find and click the coupon button inside the iframe. So let's go to the website. Let's see where is the coupon button. So you can see this is a coupon button. Okay, and they have also said like this coupon button is not a HTML. This is a part of iframe. Okay, that is also HTML. You can say element only, but yeah, that will handle separately. So if you are already following my tutorial, so you can see that in Selenium playlist I have uploaded the frame tutorial also. Okay, so how to handle it frame I already told you, but no problem. We will see again in this video. Okay, now so first part. Okay, why this 2 time? Okay, no problem. We will close one. Okay, just close this. Okay, I think we have closed the main also. No problem. We will open it again. Okay, so again go to the Visual Studio. Okay, and then yes, click on yes. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, it is open for us. Okay, so first step is, wait a minute. Yeah, so first step is we have to go to this coupon button which is present inside the iframe, and then we have to on the right side. Okay, they are saying like where this coupon button is present, so on the right side of the page, and we have to get the value. So get the value means like once you go to that website, okay, you have to click on this button. Once you click on this button, then you will get this coupon code. So you have to copy this code. Okay, then you have to copy this code, or you can say like you have to store this coupon in one variable. Okay, so this is our first step. Now what is the second step? Okay, so second step will be in the welcome abroad section, select the place for. Okay, welcome abroad section. So if you go to the website again, okay, this is a website, so you will see this is a welcome abroad section. Okay, so in this one, like we have to go to this from section, and then we have to select the value 4. Okay, like this way. Okay, now third one. What is the third one? Third one, click the search flight. Click on the button search flight. So we have to click on this search flight button. Okay, so let's try it with the menu first. So when we click on this one, so it is saying like input field should be valid. Like this way, pop-up will come as a part of alert. Okay, so these 3 steps we have to do. Okay, now let's move to the jump to the code part. So like we are going to handle this code by via Java. So we will open this Java code. If you are doing with the Python, then go with the Python code as well. Okay, now open this src and then this Java, and inside this Java you can see the Selenium test.java. Okay, see this code is not standalone as I told you already, right? We have to do the Selenium with Cucumber as well. So first we will complete our Selenium part, and then we will move to the Cucumber part. Okay, so double click on the Selenium test.java. So just install whatever they are asking us to install, just install it. Okay, so they are asking us to install some extension pack for Java. Okay, this would definitely be installed in our system so that we can write our code easily. Okay, so let's for some time it will download for us. Okay, now meanwhile what we will see now, we will install JDK, get your runtime. Okay, accept all the things, accept this thing. Okay, get started with Java to create the extension pack of Java requirement, just one Java runtime to install. Okay, install whatever you are getting here, just install it. Okay, Java 21. Okay, they are asking us to download the external. So no need to download the external. Okay, no need to download this one. If you can install this one, then fine. If they are asking us to download anything, then I won't prefer you to download. Okay, so whatever asking us for enable, just enable it. Okay, for this section, I am just closing this one. Okay, as of now. Now, okay, so this is our code. Okay, yeah, nothing error. Okay, so you can see here we have 3 test cases. This is the test case 1, test case 2, and the test case 3. So these 3 test cases resemble these 3 only, these 3 steps only. Okay, so in the first test case we have to implement this, in the second implement this, and the third implement this. Okay, so first we will handle the coupon button. Okay, so go to the website. Okay, first we will check what element we have to take. Okay, so Control Shift I. Okay, this is for inspect. You already know. Just inspect this one, and we will increase this size so that we can see the button easily. Now we can able to see the button. Okay, fine. Click on this one. Okay, if you see, so we have a button class, so we will use our XPath also, or we can go with this CSS selector also. Okay, or we can go with the class name also. But yeah, I will prefer XPath only. Okay, anything else? Yeah. Let's see first the frame section. In which frame it is present. So it is present inside the frame 2. Okay, it is present inside the frame 2. Okay, do we have any other frame? Yeah, we have another frame as well. So if we close this one, see, if we close frame 1, so frame 2 is also closing. It means this frame 2 means this is the frame 2, but frame 2, and this frame 2 is lying inside the frame 1. So we have to handle both frame. Okay, this is an example of nested frame. Okay, so frame 1, and then inside this one we have a frame 2. So we have to handle both the frame. So let's see how to handle this one. Okay, so we will write the first code here. Okay, you already understood what we have to write. Okay, so first we have to handle the frame. So driver dot switch to. Okay, you can see like they already suggesting us what we have to write. Okay, driver dot switch to. Okay, frame. Okay, and inside this one we will give the element. Okay, and the element will be like driver dot find element. Okay, y dot xpath, and we are using xpath as. So we will go to the website again. Let's move to the website again. Okay, and okay, this is okay. So let's see, we can go with the ID also, or we can go with the xpath as well for frame. So frame ID is given, so I will suggest you to go with the ID only. Okay, so I will change the minor code some minor. Okay, so driver dot switch to frame, driver dot find element by instead of XPath I will give ID. Okay, and then I will pass the ID value. So ID value I will copy from the HTML tag. So this is iframe 1. So copy this one. Okay, and paste here. Okay, this is increase the size so that we can write easily. Fine. Any error? No error. Okay. So as I told you, we have to handle both the frame, right? Because the frame 2 is lie inside the frame 1. Okay. So again, driver switch to frame again, and then instead of frame 2, just give frame. Sorry, instead of frame 1, just give frame 2. Okay. So we have handled successfully the frame 2. Now we are in the frame 2. In the frame 2, only we have this button, right? So inspect this one. We will use XPath, okay, for this one. Control F. // button is the tag. Okay, at the rate class equals to button -1, right? Yeah, you can see here. I will show you. Inspect this again. Okay, so you can see this button -1. So I will copy this one. Okay, and I will paste. Okay, you can see this button is highlighted, right? So this is a correct XPath. Control A, Control C. Okay, then we will write our code here. Driver dot find element. Okay, and then y dot XPath. Okay, and inside this XPath we have to give our XPath value. Okay, this is the value, and what we have to do, we have to get the text dot. Oh no, we have to click first. Okay, so click. Okay, fine. Any error? I think yes. Let's see what is the error. Okay, XPath, and this is automatically error coming. Okay, so no need to worry about this one. So double slash. Okay, bracket. Okay. Okay, so what we will do now, if we are facing this type of error, so we will remove this suggestion. Okay, they are sending us this one. Let me load it. By XPath. Okay, by XPath. Okay, and then we have to give the value of that XPath. Okay, it would be inside double quotes, will be button. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, this bracket, and again we have to give one bracket. Okay. Okay, and now we have to use dot click. Okay, now good. Okay, so if you find anything, then just try to remove the code and write it again. Okay. Okay. Now, what we have done till now, we have clicked on the button. Now what we have to do, we have to get this text. Okay, so this text you can see present inside this p tag, right? So just give /p. Okay. This p is not selecting. No problem. Okay. Okay. Once we click on this one, okay. So just go with this one only. Okay. Just go with the same tag. Okay. Just use this same thing. I will copy the same. I will paste there, and then I will use dot get text. Okay. I will get the text of this element and store in one variable. So string. Okay. I will use coupon. Okay. I will use coupon variable to store this one. Okay. Okay. So first step is completed. Okay. If you see here, so what they are asked us to do, we have successfully done these steps. So we successfully landed on the iframe. We have clicked on the coupon button, and then we get its value. Okay. Now we have to go to the abroad, welcome abroad section. Okay. Now here you have to learn one thing. Okay. Just see what I'm saying. So in this one, now we are at iframe. See, iframe and this element both are different. Okay. Why different? Because if these two are not different, then we no need to write this driver dot switch to, right? I already explained these things in my tutorial. So if you want to see the detailed concept, then definitely you have to go and watch this video. Okay, I will give this video link also in the description box so that you can search it quickly. Okay, see, just for a quick revision, I will tell you what I am saying. Just focus on this one. I am saying I am on this iframe section. Just for as of now, understand iframe and this element HTML both are not different. Sorry, both are different. Okay, so if you are here, you can't able to handle this element. You have to tell your driver like, now I am not in the iframe. Now I came back to my HTML, normal HTML. Okay, then you can able to handle these things. Okay, so that's why we have using this driver.switch2. We are instructing our driver to go to the frame section. Okay, and then click this one. Okay, got it? Getting my point? Cool. So now we can't write directly. So first, what we have to do, we have to tell our compiler that driver, like we are in the frame 2 section, so we have to move to the frame 2 section to the main HTML. That is our default content. We are saying it's a default content. Okay, this is a iframe section, this is a default content. So we have to say like driver just switch back to the default content. Okay, but driver can't move to the default content directly because if we are on the 2 frame, we are on a nested frame. So frame 2, frame 1 and then default content. So we have to say driver like driver first switch back to the frame 1 and then from the frame 1 switch back to the content, default content. Okay, let's see how to do. So for this one we have to write a driver, okay, dot switched, okay, switch to parent frame. Okay, because we are on a child frame, that is 2. Okay, iframe 2, right? We are on the iframe 2. So iframe 2 is a child, I1 frame is a parent. So we have a by default function we have, that is parent frame. So we are saying instructing our driver like driver switch back to the frame. Okay, cool. Now what? Again I am instructing driver. Now you are on a parent frame. Now driver dot switch back to where default content. Okay, so you can see default content is also one function. So now my web driver is in this page. Okay, now you have to work with this drop down button. So for drop down also I have created a playlist. So if you follow my Selenium playlist now, so that will be enough, because whatever they are asking here, all the details I have already mentioned there. Okay, in a short video, there are only 22 videos and you won't require much time. So if you want to do a very crash course, okay, very concise course you can say, then you can definitely put that courses. Okay, I will give the playlist link also, as well as this tutorial also, like for handling the frame also I will give in the box. Okay, description box. So you can go there, you can click and play with the hands-on. Okay, now move back to our content. So now what we have to do? Now we are here. Okay, now we have to select the place for. Okay, so for selecting place for, we have to write first. We have to create a select class. So if you don't know like how to handle the drop down, then definitely I will say you just go and watch my lecture tutorial. Okay, I am writing directly. Okay, select. I am giving drop down. Drop down is an object. Okay, select drop down. I am creating one select class. Okay, and I am creating one object as well. Okay, select drop down equals to new select. In Java we are creating a object in this manner only. Okay, now inside this one we have to pass the element. Okay, so driver dot find, not in the double quotes. Okay, driver dot find dot find element. Okay, inside this one we have to give by dot, let's see we have ID or not. Okay, if we have ID then we will use, if not then we will move to the next part. Okay, so place for. Okay, so just over there, yes we have ID. So copy this one, go there, click on this from. Okay, any error? By ID it is created. First one is this one, This is for this one, non of this third one. Okay, very good. Okay. I hope there is no any issue. Yeah. Now, so what we have to select? We have to select 4. Drop down dot, okay, select by we have index also, so we will go with the index part first. Let's see. Okay, so index. So if you click here, so now this is at index 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to select 4. Okay, or we can do one thing, like without going this in the index 1 now, we will do one thing, because see here is a from also, so maybe like we will confuse like from we have to cover or not. If you see here, so we have a selected values of from. Okay, so what we will do now, we will go with this one, visible text. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have to select this one, so just copy this visible text. Okay, we have one function in the select drop down, that is, I will show you, very safe. Okay, select by, okay, if you see here, we are getting select by visible text, so go with this visible text, and whatever the text we are getting, just place there. Okay, so we have selected this one also, so our task is to select this one. We have selected this one, so second steps also completed. Okay, from the from field we have selected place 4. Okay, now the third one, we have to click on the search flight option. Okay, so go to the third test cases. Okay, now what we will do, we will, okay, go to the website. Okay, again inspect the element, this search button. Okay, are we getting any ID? Yes, we have ID. Okay, just copy this one, Control F. Okay, ID we are checking has, if has this one. Yeah, now you can see this element, we can see here. So just write driver dot find element by dot ID, and then we have to pass our ID value. What we have to do with this element, we have to click. Okay, we have to, okay, dot click. Okay, we have to click. Okay, cool. So we have written our test cases. Okay, so cucumber part we will see later. Okay, let's see this thing. Okay, I am closing this one. This extension not required as of now. Go there. Okay, so I will run first. Okay, I will run this one. Okay, so let's open the terminal. Okay, we have to go to this terminal. Okay, first we have to write sh test.sh, sorry, install.sh. Let's see if we have any installation or not. Okay, they are saying like requirement already satisfied. So once you open this compiler, they will automatically do the install part, so not an issue. Now we have to run it. Okay, so sh run.sh. I think like you are not getting the screen size I have mentioned very small. Okay, do one thing, I will show you like this. Now I think you can able to see or not. Okay, I will show you what I am writing. Just a minute. Okay, I think now you can able to see. No, okay, I will show you that. I'm just clearing this one. Okay, see, sh test sh install.sh I already did. Okay, now I'm writing sh run.sh. This is for running. Okay, just click enter. Okay, they are saying no file. Okay, why no file now? If you see, we are inside the Java code folder. Okay, if we close this one Java code folder, so install is there. That's why we are able to install it. Okay, I will show you again. sh. These things you have to remember, because if you are giving exam in front of system, then this might error you can get. Okay, so just see this one. We are outside. We are inside this project. Okay, see, this is the down arrow, means we are inside this project. So this project name you can see here populating. Okay, so you can see there is only install.sh, no any run.sh. So if I write sh install.sh. So you can see the command is running as we already set install our requirement. So it is saying like requirement already satisfied, not an issue. But you can't see any run option here. Okay, so for running it, we have to go inside the Java code because we have written the code here. Now you can see the here install also and run and test is also. So we have to go to this directory first. So to go to directory, we are writing cd Java code. cd means change directory. Okay, and then we have to move to the Java code. See, now we have learned on the Java code. Now we can use run sh run.sh. Okay, I think I have given extra space. Just continue. My bad. Okay, now it's running. I thought it won't run, but yeah, see, it is running. Okay, so in this step we can see like if any error is coming, then we can see test run 0, failure 0, error 0, skip 0. So as of now, like there is no any compiler error. Okay, now we will run our main. Okay, we will run sh test.sh. Click enter. Okay, this red one means we have some error. Okay, we will figure out. Okay, so there are total 12 test cases. Okay, in which 8 are failing. Okay, 8 are failing. We will see, not an issue. We will see out like what is failing. So if you see here, so they are saying like okay, we have some issue in the setup and Selenium log check. Okay, let's see. So where these details we can see now, we can see these details in validate test. Okay, in the validate test. Okay, so let's see where validate test. I can see go some no such element. Okay. We have found some error like no such element first. Let's see what is this. No such element button class equals to okay. This button is not identified for them. Okay, double slash button. Okay. See, we are using XPath and we forgot to write double slash. Okay, that's why we are getting error. Just give double slash. Okay, now save it. Okay, run it again. This issue definitely won't come again. Let's see. Might other defect it will be, but yeah, let's see. Okay, still we are getting this error. Okay, yeah, we are getting this error again. Let's see, no such element. Unable to locate the element. Export this one at the red class equals to button hyphen one. Okay, why this is not a valid one? Okay, if you got this type of issue now, so just do one thing. Okay, what you can do now? Okay, we have written double slash, right? Okay, sorry. We are using these 2 times now, so we have to write 2 times. So, my bad. Okay, now run it again. Okay, click on command terminal, sorry, and then run it again. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, now you can see total 12 test cases, 4 are failing now. Okay, 8 are passing. Okay, now we will figure out that 4 part. Okay, so now you can see that error has gone. Okay, that related to this XPath. Okay, because we forgot to write double slash, but yeah, you can figure out these things if you are know how to write the XPath and all. Okay, so we have to go to this validate test. Okay, where we can find this folder. Let's see this thing first. Okay. So they are saying like we have to go to this validate test case. Okay, validate test case. Let's see. Let's open this src. Okay, resource. No, in this inside this we don't have. Okay, inside filter we don't have. In Java. Okay, inside this Java only we can get. Okay, Selenium. This one. Validate test. Okay, validate test case. So go there. Okay, see the line number. Line number 84. We are getting error. 84. Just scroll up. 84. Okay. So we are getting this error 84. So we are getting this one. See, they are saying like it should contain this much of space and then place for. Okay, this is not good, I think. So we will decrease this size. Like we don't need to write like this space, because you know, right, this space is not there. So control S, save it. Okay, might be there are some error in this one, so we will give the same thing. See, I will show you parallel. We are using place for, right, because we are not using any space. There is no any space in the locator. So I have removed the extra spaces from the validate. Okay, what is the third error? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Okay, inside is 1 to 1. Okay, we have to check the alert. See, alert is not, alert is present, but they didn't mention in the steps, right? But it is a hidden part. That's why it is so like we have to handle the alert as well. So first let's handle the alert first. Okay, go to Selenium test Java. After writing the third step, okay, we have to handle the accept also. Like when I will show you. When you click on the search flight now, so one pop-up will come. We have to accept this one. Okay, so to handle this one, we have to handle with the alert driver dot switch to alert. Okay, and then we have to accept it. We have to accept. Okay, control S. Now run it again. Okay, ss test.sh. Okay, still we have some error. Okay, we have now two error. Okay, we already know what is the error. Okay, 84. So again we will see. Okay, so we are getting this error. So what we will do now? Let's try again. So we will remove this one. This space. I tried with this space as well, but this space is also not working. So just save it. Okay. Okay. Now give a try. Now just give a try. It will take some time. Yeah. Now you can see the total test case is 11. Failure 0, error 0, escape 0. So we already completed this. So this part is completed. Okay. Now if you go to the flight booking app and then we will go to the problem statement. So now they are doing saying us to do one more thing. What they are doing saying us to do. So they are saying like you have to write a feature file also. Okay. In the play.feature. Okay. With the using of step definition. Okay. So how to write this one? So let's see. Okay. So now this part is completed. Now open this step definition. Okay, I will close this validate test. This is not required now. Yeah. So if you go down, so you can see this is the step definitions. Okay. This is a step definition name. Okay, I will enlarge the screen so that you can see properly. Let me zoom out this one as well. Okay. So now you can see for this one we have this step definition. For this one we have this step definition, and for this one we have this step definition. Okay. So now copy this one. Okay. Copy this one and go to test this one. We have to write for a cucumber, right? So go to the problem statement to find out like where we have where we can see the cucumber file. So it is saying like it will present in the feature file in features play.feature. Feature play.feature. Okay? Feature folder. So feature folder is there. Okay, resources, software resources. Yes, in the resources you can see this play.feature is there. Okay. So now we have to write a feature file. So how to write a feature file? So first we have to give one keyword feature. Okay. So if you see this one, so we are not getting any extensions for this one. That's why we are getting in a white color. So first we have to install the extension. So for installing, go to file. Okay. Go to preferences. Then go to extension. File, preferences, and then extension. Okay. And give here number. Okay. So you can see the first one. Install the first one. Okay, you can install this given when then as well, but installing one will also help. Okay, okay. Now you can see this feature is in pink color. Before it is in white color. It means we have successfully installed our extension. Now what we have to give the feature? Feature anything you can give. Okay, I will give on flight booking app. Okay, it's a feature. We are on flight booking app. Okay, and then after this feature we have to write scenario. So scenario. So you can see now scenario also occurs in a pink color. It means the extension is properly installed. Okay, scenario. So scenario like working with flight login website. Okay, absolutely fine. Anything you can give. Okay, you can give your name also here, but generally the feature scenario should be like business aspect, so we have to give the business expected term. Okay, now given, see, before we are giving anything, okay, before we have written anything from our end, but now given, when, and then we have to write very carefully. Okay, given, and we not required, we don't require any, okay, we don't require any colon. Okay, if you give given and then if you click enter, sorry, space bar, so you will get it in pink color only. Okay, so this colon is not required for the given. Now go to the step definition. Okay, so this is a given one. Okay, so copy this one. Okay, go to play.feature and paste here. Okay, so this is a given. Go to when. Go to step definition again. This is for checking frame 2. So copy this one. Okay, go to play.feature and paste this one, and then 10. Then again go to step definition. Okay, copy this one. Okay, and go to play.feature file. Okay, the cursor is not working properly again. Paste it. Okay, so this is a given, when, and then. So it is saying like given is like find and click the coupon button inside the iframe. Okay, this is the given. When is in the welcome web section, the place value from the from field. Okay, now if you see here, so they are taking one integer value, integer int1. Okay, they are taking some integer value. Okay, so we have to do like that way only. Okay, so just go to this one and give edge. Okay, okay, and give what we have to give. We have to give place, right? Place hyphen. This one we have to give. L should be small. Okay, if not clear about this one, so go to your Selenium test.java. Okay, copy this place 4. Copy this one. Go to this play.feature extension. Okay, and paste it. Okay, this is place 4. Now and then click on the search flavor. So Control S, save it. Okay, now you can do one more thing. You can remove all the underscore. Okay, because we have written this underscore will automatically come in the step definition when we create the Cucumber file. But you can't remove also. Like if you don't remove also, that is fine, not an issue. Okay, so given, when, then, so Cucumber file is also done. Okay, so now again just go to the Selenium Java. Let's see like writing this one is create any problem or what. So we will check once again our test case is working fine or not. Okay, so you can see it is working fine. So now we can submit this code. Okay, so you already know like how to submit. So you can submit this button. You will get the submit button on the top, and then you can submit it. So I hope this video is clear to you guys. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.